Along with its large butter yellow petals, this orchid emits a very appealing and captivating fragrance. We absolutely love it and have kept this native orchid scent as the main focus of this fragrance composition. Orchids, like most plants, are multifaceted. They can be consumed as medicinal tonic, applied topically, and used aromatically. We have made use of their therapeutic effects and included them in our composition. Sweet when tasted, this therapeutic orchid has great detoxifying abilities. Other benefits include providing good stomach health and treating minor illnesses like fever and night sweats. This orchid is mainly used in Chinese medicine as a cooling herb for our body system, removing toxins and to stop any bleeding from cuts or wounds. We've kept this composition simple and have added few key ingredients to ensure it kept its native orchid's sweet, woody scent, yet making it long-lasting without being overwhelming. Aspen tree and paper bark extracts are used here. Aspen trees are medium-sized deciduous trees that produce a sharp and earthy scent, tinged with a splash of green freshness. In perfumery, it is mainly used to enhance the woody notes in the fragrance, while offering a breath of freshness to take the heavy edge off. It is said that ailments such as joint pain, backache, and nerve pain could be treated with the help of aspen, as it contains salicylates, a component that can be found in aspirin and have anti-inflammatory effects. Paperbark trees emanate a musky and menthol-like fragrance, lending a refreshing, clean, and green soul to the composition. It is also reported to display herbal effects in improving our respiratory system. Are you a nature lover? Do you love the smell of the musky, earthy, green scent of fresh morning air? This one will be for you. Woody 10 is a soft, gentle, and subtle woody scent, perfect even for the ones that do not gravitate towards woody fragrances, yet wished your perfume could last a longer time.